All right. Awesome. Good morning, guys. It's been a while. Today we're going to show you something that we've been doing for the past couple of months, and that is we bought a new home. You know, it's COVID season. It's COVID season? Is that right? Or, you know, with all this thing happening, I think we just kind of decided to buy a house simply because it's better to buy a house. Well, that statement kind of depends on your situation, but for us, I think it's more whatchamacallit. It's better for us to buy a home, especially that the family is growing. Family's growing, and we also have problems with our neighbors, so I think it's about time to move on out of here. But before that, they gotta build it though. So let's check out the lot.
Bili mo na inyo ha? Open daddy.
Okay, so the closets don't have lights. So, not very complete yet. Standing shower. This is the garage. Comes with that. Okay. Granite countertop. There we go. Don't do it.
We're excited.
Come on. Oh,
Labot lang ko dali ng mama.
hindi ha.
Abot man. So, quarantine for
Okay.
14.
14 days. Look.
No, baby, no, monster.
Here, it's right there.